Hey my friends, how are you? So I've done a lot of the building of the Panzer IV by Miniart. This is the H version and it fits together like a charm. Got a lot of nice little details on it. You see you got the photo etch hooks there. You've got these really nice little chains at the front, which are a lot tougher than their normal ones. And there's a lot of detail basically on everything. It's really cool. They've changed the tracks. So they've done this new sort of thing where they've got the pins, instead of having the pins separately, they've got the pins on the actual things that hold these together, which is different, which is interesting. So this moves around. Oh, it's this kit as well. So this one, this Miniart kit. So a later version H, so you don't have any bolts on the armour there. But you see with these earlier version ones, you got the bolts on the armour, but not on this one. Yeah, so it's really cool. So, of course, there's no interior detail in it, so I just made it dark. But that goes in, but everything here, you have to construct. So you've got to put the sides together, the top on, you've got to put this part here on. Yeah, it's all constructed up, but it really fits together really very well, as you can see. And I've had a no filler, you know, with some really careful joining and stuff, and using some good glue, you can really get it without any gaps. No problems at all. I put a little bit of super glue on the inside to join this top part with the bottom part. But if you had a full interior one, which I do, you could leave this off and you could have that removable so you could see on the inside if you wanted. It's no big deal. And then on the bottom here, we've got to add all this sort of detail here. So I've just added the first little bits there, and then we'll add that line. So we'll add a line of that along there so we can put the wheels on. But even see with these little return rollers or support rollers or something, whatever they're called, they've got writing on the bottom part. Now you won't be able to see it. You can't see it here. Oh, you can see a little bit on that one there. And you'll never be able to see it, you know, with the tracks on and all that kind of stuff. But what I like about it is, if you were to get one of these kits as a sort of a parts kit, you could use all these parts and they'd be very accurate. So you could put it in a, you know, in a box on the back of a truck or something, or in a train gondola or something like that. And you could have all these really authentic Panzer IV parts. Even when you're putting on everything there, on the other side, they've got all the bolt details and all that kind of stuff. So you could quite happily have this not attached and it will still look real and authentic. So there's a lot of options with this Miniart kit. It's really cool. I really like it a lot. So this is how the little diorama's coming along. I just did a video on this one, a photo video, and I can do another video showing you this one more. But this one's basically finished now, so I'll start working on this one more. And I put in some little sunflowers which are looking good. So I'll put a little bit more grass around the front, maybe a few more sunflowers, and then that little section will be done. Do something with this section here. The dirt's nearly ready. The dirty area. So yeah, it's coming along really cool. Alright my friends, I'm really happy and enjoying this Panzer IV build. It's so really fun build. Not the easiest build, not the hardest build, but a good fun build. And I'll speak to you again soon. Have a good one guys. Bye.